another today's fun project. Today we've got a 13 Hyundai Santa Fe here, and if you have the Hyundai Santa Fe 2013 and up, you may be having an issue at night when you're driving. You can't see very well. It's not necessarily the bulbs that are in here. These are all factory on this car. They're just aimed too low. So what I'm going to do is show you what I do to aim these. It's an 8mm socket. I'll take you under the hood. It's really simple to adjust. You got up and down, simple as that. And I'll show you how I measure things real quick with a piece of masking tape on the wall, and you're all set. So I personally have seen the difference between the factory setting and the adjustment afterwards, and it is a huge improvement, especially for safety. So let's get under the hood and I'll show you what's going on. So let's check out this driver's side headlamp right here and how to do the adjustment. Here's an 8mm socket, 1/4" drive, and you have plenty of space here. But this bolt right here where my finger is, let me give you a little zoom action. Right here is what you need to focus on. So basically, put your socket on there, and then you want to turn this. So as you're turning, let's say it would be looking out this way, clockwise, the headlamp is going to go down. So if you turn it counterclockwise, it's going to aim up. Let me show you, and it's the same thing over there on the passenger side. You'll see that same little 8mm right over there. But anyway, here's what we got. So obviously the headlamps are on right now. And if you see this blue tape, well, right here, okay, is where the headlamp was, the top of it, I should say, the light beam. And now I've moved it up to here. Same thing on the other side. It was there. I did that before, obviously, the adjustment, and now you can see it's right about in that area. So anyhow, that's something to keep in mind. And that much difference, I'd say that's about 7 inches right there. Made a world of difference. So let me give you a shot real quick over here on the passenger side so you can see what I'm talking about. Just in case you're not that familiar. Right here on the passenger side, that's the one you want. Something to keep in mind is I'm only about 10 or 12 feet away here. So I'm not sure what the factory specs call for the distance. There is a distance on level ground. Obviously, the car's got to be on level ground from the headlamp to the wall and how high the top of that beam should be at. So I just use my experience and my spidey senses, I guess you call it, to move that up. I road tested the car, and it's fantastic now. All right, well, that one's quick and easy. You just need an 8mm socket in a couple of minutes. My suggestion would be that you just mark that wall with a piece of tape or a pencil mark before you do any of the adjustments, so that you know where you're at, whether you're going to go up, higher or lower. And that way, as you're going down the road at night, you don't get the high beams flashed in your face, because they're probably trying to tell you something. But anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Click the little bell for notifications. Comments and questions down below. Always enjoy reading them. And check out some of my other videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy.